Bingle Car Insurance Review 2024 is Bingle Car Insurance legit. You won't believe how online car insurance has evolved in 2024. Bingle offers affordable policies, quick quotes, and digital claim management, but is it legit and reliable? The surprising truth is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by thinking cheap insurance means limited coverage. Bingle provides competitive coverage options for liability, comprehensive, and collision, all with simple online applications and fast digital processing. One major advantage is convenience. You won't believe what happens next when you see features like instant policy issuance, mobile claims submission, and customer support. Policyholders can manage coverage and make payments entirely online. Bingle also offers optional extras like roadside assistance and no claims discounts, making it more comprehensive than expected. Their digital-first approach minimizes paperwork and streamlines insurance management. However, there are cons. Some users report slower claim payouts compared to traditional insurers. Bingle operates mainly online, so there are no physical offices. Certain discounts or custom coverage options may be limited. In conclusion, Bingle Car Insurance in 2024 is a legit option for drivers seeking affordable, digital-first coverage. While some claim handling limitations exist, convenience, simplicity, and competitive rates make it a solid choice for cost-conscious motorists.